महाराष्ट्र ਵਿੱਚ कोरोना के मामले ਵੱਧਦੇ ही जा रहे हैं तो पूरे देश की गल करिए तो सब तो ज़्यादा मामले महाराष्ट्र ਵਿੱਚ ही दर्ज किए गए हैं। उत्थे ही कोरोना की वजह कारण महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति भी गरमा चुकी है। विरोधी पक्ष ने सरकार उत्ते कोरोना नाल नजिठण विच सफल रहने का इल्जाम लगाया तो जिस दे चलदे हुण बीजेपी नेता NV सुभाष का बयान सामने आया है। उन्होंने की कुछ कहा तुसीं भी सुनो।
We have seen in Maharashtra the political drama which is going on. One by one, from the Congress, the Shiv Sena, and from NCP are giving statements. One minister, Maharashtra government is stable. Other minister says that the opposition party, that is the BJP, should support the government in curbing the coronavirus. To answer to all these questions, our simple question is that Maharashtra financial capital, Mumbai being the financial capital of this the country, majority of the cases of the coronavirus cases has been reported from Mumbai as well as in Maharashtra, and majority of the deaths are also from if we can see the statistics, it will be very clear and evident that most of the cases are from these two places. As there is a saying that too many cooks spoil the soup, too many people from different political parties are trying to destabilize the government of Maharashtra. Too many political parties are trying to make their own pitch and then own mark in the Maharashtra state instead of curbing the coronavirus in Maharashtra. And this is completely the failure, as we can say that it is complete failure of the Maharashtra government in curbing the coronavirus, which has been spread all over the country. Because of their failures, they are trying to put a blame on the opposition party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party is very clearly saying that all now curbed, all the economy should be back to stable, back to work, and then also the lockdown relief measures have been also initiated as far as the migrant workers is concerned, as far as the agriculture issues are concerned. Every issue has been taken care of. So I would appeal to the Maharashtra government, instead of putting the blame game, it is better to sit and sort out these internal conflicts between the opposition, the parties which are ruling the Maharashtra government, to more focus on the coronavirus instead of blaming the opposition. Opposition is completely cooperating in Maharashtra. The Indian government, Narendra Modi's government, is also cooperating in every which way they can.